information report. So what I have on the screen right now for you is basically an information report like the one that you're going to be writing, except this information report is just one page. So the information report that you guys are writing is actually an iBook. So there's going to be multiple pages for each topic. So for example, you've got your heading, but then you've also got your first little piece of information. And you need to see that it has a title, and then it has the information underneath of it. So when you write your iBook and when you research, you need to make sure that you have headings, because headings are really important. They're going to tell your reader who's reading your iBook what they're actually going to be reading about on that page. And then you need to include some information. And I don't really want to see dot points in your iBook because you should be writing in sentences by the end of year 5. So make sure that you're writing sentences. And that doesn't mean that you copy and paste from the internet. That means that when you take your notes, when you research in your planning document, you do dot points. And you need to write out your information by hand. You can't copy and paste it onto your iPad. So you need to make sure that on every single page in your iBook, you have a heading. So that tells the person what they're going to read about. And then you have the information underneath. So you can see that the person who's written this information report about crocodiles has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 headings. You will obviously have more headings about the sun because you're talking about all the different things in the planning document. You also need to include a picture or a photo on every single page that you use, just to make it more interesting. But at the very start of this information report, you need to make sure that you are researching and you're finding facts. Even if you think that you know information about the sun, you should not be just guessing or writing down things that you think you know. You need to be using the internet to research and to find facts, things that scientists have actually found. So the first step that you will be taking this morning is you will be starting your planning document, and you will be answering those key questions in the planning document that need to be answered for your project.